It is a beautiful winter day, and we are here at South Pacific Power Sports in Albany, Oregon. Why? Well, why do I ever go to the dealership and get this excited? It's new bike day. All loaded up. So before I take off and head home, I just want to give a quick shout out to South Pacific Power Sports here. They sell CFMOTO, they sell Suzuki, they have a full line of moto gear and dirt bikes and all that stuff. And I know the guys that run it pretty well because, in fact, I've known them since they were 0 years old because they're my cousins. So if you're in Oregon, local, stop by, check it out. Tell them Dork sent you. Get on the list, get yourself an Ibex here at South Pacific CFMOTO dealer. They do service and everything. Oh my God, it's so light. I don't know if I can handle that. Oops, sorry camera. We made it home. There it is. Survived the trip, even though I tried to kill my camera when I was unloading it. But I have great news about this CFMOTO. So I'm very grateful to our friends at Royal Enfield for loaning me that Himalayan for a couple months. But I did have to pass it on, give it to another influencer so that they can make some content on it. The difference is I can keep it, do longer term rides, have it all summer, and I'll be able to really evaluate, put this thing through its paces and see how it does long term, how it does when you get a lot of miles on it. So I'm very excited. I went with the blue because I like the gray a lot, but blue just photographs better, it pops, and I have a box full of accessories ready to go on this thing from CFMOTO, and another box coming from Outback Motortech with some pannier racks and stuff. So full build video coming very soon, first ride coming very soon, then the build, then who knows, I think I'm taking this to Death Valley. So my first big trip with this bike will be in the desert in Death Valley, so we definitely got to get those tires swapped. But let me know in the comments what questions you have. What do you want to know about the Ibex? This is one of the first ones in Oregon. So while some people in Colorado have had them for weeks, a month even, Adventure Tomac, I'm talking about you, they just didn't get to Oregon for whatever reason. So I was fortunate enough to get one of the first ones. Not the first at South Pacific. That went to a very friendly person named Sandy, who was unintentionally rubbing it in my face in the Ibex group on Facebook. What's up, Sandy? More coming soon. South Pacific should have more coming in soon if you want to go there for all of your Ibex, CFMOTO, Suzuki needs. Great place. Just tell them Dork sent you. But I'm going to get this in the garage and get started thinking about mods and maybe throw my helmet on and go for a ride. How do you not? So thank you for watching. I hope you're as excited about the Ibex as I am. Can't wait to share all the future adventures on it with you. But for now, and as always, I just want to say thanks to CFMOTO for loaning me this, obviously. But also, please do not forget to be excellent to each other. Thank you.